the best equipment out there as a PC YouTuber on a budget? Hello, my name is Brayden, most known as Gecko. My channel is the Gaming Gecko #1, so make sure you subscribe to see more tips and tricks. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I stream on Saturdays and Sundays, and sometimes you'll catch me on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Okay, you're here because you're a PC YouTuber, right? If you're not a PC YouTuber, I have a console YouTuber video on screen right now to show you guys the same tips but for console. And if you're mobile, the video's on the way. First off, you're going to need a computer to stream on, and also that can run OBS. Link down below. OBS is an amazing software. It's free, and you can stream to YouTube or Twitch. Also, when you live stream or record, you do not have an annoying watermark, like for example Bandicam. Bandicam has a watermark. Of course, that's really ugly, really weird, and it draws the viewer's attention away from your video. Your amazing video. If you don't want a watermark on your video, then I definitely recommend OBS. It's free, and almost 95% of the YouTubers that you watch on PC use OBS. Power tip: I would start OBS 5 to 10 seconds before you do your intro, so then you can cut it out in your editing software, and also do your outro, and then cut it right after your outro. That's my power. Okay, now on to my favorite part next to recording the video: editing. I recommend DaVinci Resolve. It's free and the best software out there for free, by far. I'm telling you. Guys, DaVinci Resolve, link down below. It's an amazing site, I'm telling you. I used DaVinci for probably a year and it was amazing. I don't even know why I upgraded. I should have just kept it, but I upgraded. And if you want to spend a little bit of money, I would get Filmora. Filmora is great. I used Filmora when I was back a little bit ago, like probably a year ago. So last year I probably used Filmora, then the year before that I used DaVinci Resolve. Now we're on to thumbnails. This is where it gets tough. Alrighty guys, so let's start off with the first software, GIMP. GIMP is a great software. It's just like Photoshop, like Adobe Photoshop. It's amazing. I'm telling you guys, it's just like that. It's amazing. Everybody who uses GIMP says it's amazing. But again, I would upgrade to Adobe Photoshop. It's worth it. Now on to the next one. Is going to be Vector. Vector, it's online. You don't have to download it onto your computer. You can use it online. You can save your progress. You just have to sign in. Also, it's just like Pixlr. But again, if you have to choose out of these three, GIMP is the way to go. But I would definitely spend my money on Photoshop if you think you're going to be a big time YouTuber and want to grow that channel up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. What should my next tutorial be? I hope this tutorial helped you out. And we'll see you guys at the end card. Peace.